Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel an order on Bolt Food. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bolt Food application, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Bolt Food? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type boltfood.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Bolt Food. Once you get into the website, follow through with the on-screen prompt in the top right corner of your screen to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Bolt Food. The features are not this empty, or the homepage is not this empty. That's because Bolt Food does not support deliveries within my country. But if it does, then you're going to find this homepage littered with a wide array of restaurant options, and from there you can just pick a restaurant and follow through with the prompts to place your order. But I'm going to show you how you can cancel an order on Bolt Food. The first question I would like us to ask is, can you really cancel an order on Bolt Food? Let's find out. Now, I'd like you to know that you cannot cancel your order on Bolt Food. Here's why. If you want to cancel your order, you need to create a support ticket before the restaurant accepts your order. The order will be cancelled automatically. It is not possible to cancel the order once the restaurant accepts it. So let's say you have placed your order and you want to cancel it after it has been placed. I'm sorry, you really cannot do that on Bolt Food. So if you know that you're eventually going to cancel your order, then you have to create a support ticket before you place your booking. That's before the restaurant accepts your order. Now, if you have made a mistake with your order, please proceed in the appropriate manner. Number one, adding or removing an item to or from your order. It is not possible to amend the confirmed order. As such, please place a new order with your desired item or items. Now, in the aspect of changing or swapping items in your order, please call the restaurant to change or swap any items in your confirmed order. You cannot call both, but the restaurant itself. Now, kindly note that restaurant may not be able to fulfill the request if the requested items are, number one, not available or out of stock or priced differently. Now, in the aspect of adding or changing delivery notes, please contact the courier directly to provide them with the details. You will be able to call the courier through the app once they have picked up your order from the restaurant. In the aspect of changing the delivery address, please contact support through the app, that's through Bolt app, for help with this. Delivery address cannot always be changed, but the Bolt team will assist you if it is possible. Changing the delivery method. The option to switch between pickup and delivery and vice versa is not available. Please make the necessary plans to ensure you are available to receive or collect your order. Changing the delivery time. Delivery. Once the order is accepted, it is not possible to amend the delivery time. In the aspect of pickup, please call the restaurant to arrange a later pickup time. And switching your payment method. The selected payment method is billed once you confirm your order, and it is not possible to switch or change this hereafter. So that is pretty much the process. This is how you can cancel an order on Bolt Food. So I'm just going to quickly show you how you can contact the Bolt Food support. So over here, go ahead and click on profile. And once you click on profile, head over to the left corner of your screen and head straight to support. Once you click on that, they're going to take you through the step-by-step processes to reach out to the support system for Bolt Food. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.